Now we want to evaluate the integral of the cube root of 1 minus 3s ds. We want to use u-substitution to evaluate this integral. The first step is, so this is step 1. The first step is you want to find the value of u, okay? You want to find the value of u, okay guys? You want to pick the value of u such that you can easily take the derivative of u, okay? You can easily take the derivative of u and you can get rid of all the value of s inside the integral. This is our goal. Now we are going to pick the value of u as 1 minus 3s. So this is going to be u is equal to 1 minus 3s. Now we're going to take the derivative of u with respect to s. Okay? So this is going to be du over ds is equal to, derivative of 1 is going to give us 0 because derivative of any constant number is always 0. Okay? Now what about derivative of negative 3s? This is going to give us negative 3. You want to solve for the s, okay? You need to solve for the s. Now, how can we do this? We are going to cross multiply. This is going to give us du is equal to negative 3ds. Because we want to solve for ds, we have to divide both sides by negative 3. Okay? As you can see, negative 3 is going to cancel out. Then we have ds is equal to negative du over 3. Now guys, the next step is you want to plug these values inside the integral. Okay? So you want to plug your values. Okay? So you want to plug these values inside the integral. Okay? So this is going to be the integral of the cube root of 1 minus 3s. But guys, 1 minus 3s is equal to u, right? U is equal to 1 minus 3s, meaning wherever we see 1 minus 3s, we are going to plug u, okay? So this is going to be the cube root of u, okay? Now what about the s? What is the s? The s is negative du over 3, right? So this is going to be negative du over 3. Okay, guys? Now, guys, whenever you have a constant inside an integral, you need to try to take this constant outside the integral so that you can easily evaluate the integral. Okay, guys? As you can see, guys, we are having negative 1 over 3 inside this integral. Okay? Because we're having an invisible 1 here. So this is negative 1 over 3. Guys, we are going to take this negative 1 over 3 outside the integral. Okay? So this is going to be negative 1 over 3, then multiply by the integral of the cube root of u du. Okay, guys? So now the next step is you just need to evaluate the integral. Okay? So the next step is evaluate the integral. Okay, guys, so this is the next step. Now this is going to be negative 1 over 3, then multiply. Now guys, we know that the cube root of u can also be written as u raised to the power of 1 over 3. Okay? So this is du. Guys, as you can see, we can easily take the integral of u raised to the power of 1 over 3, right? This is negative 1 over 3, then multiply. Now guys, this is going to be u raised to the power of 1 over 3 plus 1, which is going to give us 4 over 3. Okay, so this is 4 over 3. Now guys, we have to divide this with the new power. Okay, it's going to be 1 divided 4 over 3. So this is divided by 4 over 3. Okay, guys? Because whenever we want to take the integral of any value, we need to add 1 to the power. Then we have to divide 1 with the new power. Okay, guys? So, guys, make sure you don't forget to add c, because we are dealing with indefinite integrals. So you always need to add the constant c. Now guys, this is equal to negative 1 over 3 multiply. Guys, we are going to take the reciprocal of 4 over 3. Okay, guys? So this is going to be equal to u raised to the power of 4 over 3. U raised to the power of 4 over 3. Then multiply 3 over 4. Okay? Because if we take the reciprocal of 4 over 3, 3 is going to be on the numerator, while 4 is going to be on the denominator. Okay, guys? So this is plus c. As you can see, guys, 3 are going to cancel out. Okay? So we now have negative. So guys, you can see we now have negative u raised to the power of 4 over 3. Okay? Negative u raised to the power of 4 over 3 divide 4 plus c. Okay, guys? Now this is equal to, guys, u raised to the power of 4 over 3. We can also write this as the cube root of u raised to the power of 4. Okay? So this is negative the cube root of u raised to the power of 4. Okay? This is the cube root of u raised to the power of 4 divide 4. So guys, you always need to add c. So now, this is going to be equal to, now guys, the next step is you want to replace the value of u. Okay? So you want to replace u. Make sure you don't forget this, guys. Replace u. Okay? Initially, we said u was equal to 1 minus 3s, right? So this is going to be equal to negative the cube root of, guys, instead of u, it's going to be 1 minus 3s. Okay? So this is 1 minus 3s, then raised to the power of 4. Okay, guys? Divide 4 plus c. This is going to be the answer. Okay? So this is how we can evaluate integral using integration by substitution.